Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Ubersuggest for SEO keywords, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin using Ubersuggest for SEO keywords, first, visit the Ubersuggest website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the center of the page. Enter a topic or keyword relevant to your niche into the search bar. Select your target country from the drop-down menu next to the search bar. Click the search icon to initiate the keyword analysis. Ubersuggest will provide an overview of the keyword, including its search volume, SEO difficulty, and paid difficulty. Scroll down to review related keywords suggested by Ubersuggest. Take note of the search volume and competition for each related keyword listed. Next, click on the Content Ideas tab to see top-performing content for your chosen keyword. Analyze the engagement metrics such as social shares and estimated visits. Use this data to understand what type of content performs well in your niche. Return to the main keyword overview page and explore the Keyword Ideas section. This section will show variations and questions related to your keyword. Consider using these keywords to broaden your content strategy. Now, navigate to the Backlinks tab for insights into your keyword's backlink profile. Review the domains linking to the top ranking pages for your keyword. These insights can help you formulate a backlink strategy for your own site. Next, click on the Traffic Analyzer to examine the traffic of competitors ranking for your keyword. Studying competitor traffic can reveal opportunities for your own content. Finally, compile a list of the most relevant and high-potential keywords for your SEO strategy. With this comprehensive information, you can now create optimized content that targets your selected keywords effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.